friends, I'm back, and today we will make some patterns in a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So let's start. Our first pattern is pretty simple. We have to move the center row 2 times, then move the center column 2 times. See, like this. Move the center row 2 times, move the center column 2 times. Then you have to change the angle of the cube. Now, the last step, move the center column 2 times. 1, 2. See, our pattern has been made. Now to solve this, we have to use the same technique. Move the center row 2 times. 1, 2. Move the center column 2 times. 1, 2. Change the angle and again move the center column 2 times. 1, 2. Now our second pattern will be in one of the same steps by the first pattern. So move the center row 2 times, move the center column 2 times, change the angle of the Rubik's cube. Now move the center column 1 time, then move the center row 2 times. Move again the center column 1 time and the center row 2 times. Now see, 4 plus have been made and 2 cross have been made. Now to solve this, be in the row of all the 4 pluses and move the center column 1 time, move the center row 2 times, again move the center column 1 time and change angle, move the center column 2 times. Now our third pattern will be of squares. For that, you have to do 2 steps continuously. Move the center column 1 time, move the center row 1 time. Now do this continuously. Center column 1 time, center row 1 time, center column 1 time, center row 1 time, center column 1 time and center row 1 time. Now as I said, we will make squares. Squares are on all the sides. Now to solve this, align one color with its same color. Like green has to be aligned with green here. Now they have aligned. As you see, 2 reds have been here and 1 center red has also been here. So we will just take it down and move this part here so that it aligns with these 2 red columns. Now just move this 1 time up and it is solved. Our third pattern has also been solved. Our fourth pattern will be one of the same steps. Move the center column 1 time, move the center row 2 times, move the center column 1 time, move the center row 2 times and move the center column 2 times at the last. Now see, 2 sides have been solved and 4 sides have been squares. Now our last pattern will be by after solving this. Move the center column 1 time, move the center row 2 times. Then move the center column 1 time anti-clockwise and move the center row 2 times. Now we have to use the same step for all sides of square. Move the center column 1 time, move the center row 1 time, move the center column 1 time, move the center row 1 time. Then change the angle and move the center column 1 time and 1 more. Now see, the corners have different colors, the edges have different colors and the center has a different color, as you see in all the sides. To solve this, we have to do this time anti-clockwise. Move the center column 1 time anti-clockwise, move the center row 1 time anti-clockwise, move the center column 1 time anti-clockwise, move the center row 1 time anti-clockwise. Our old pattern has been made, so to solve this we have to use the same technique. Align the same color with same color. Now align this with this. Do it back and up. Now our 5 patterns have been made and solved. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. And bye bye.